Hello, this is your Moby Max how-to behind-the-scenes video. Just wanted to show you a couple of features to help with seeing how your students are doing and providing some feedback. So normally when you log on for the first time in the day, you'll have a number up here with your notifications. So if I click on that, then I'm going to see what the students did today, yesterday, and what they were working on. So I can click in to any of these and kind of see how they were doing. So also, if I go back to the home, one of the things that you will see on here is Messenger. And this is a way to send messages to the students that will pop up on their Moby Max when they log in. So for example, I sent one to Laura the other day because she got something wrong I really didn't think she should have. And just wanted to kind of point a few keywords out to her. I just sent one to Harris tonight because I noticed he had a lot of trouble with the suffix work that he was supposed to be doing that he should have gotten correct. So I'm not sure if he just omitted some questions or if he actually got them wrong. So I sent him a message, he can respond, and it will show up in your notifications. So you can definitely use this as a tool to kind of make comments on things that you're seeing. And then if you want to give individual praise or recognition, you're going to have to go into a specific subject. So for here, I can just go into our language assignment from today and I'll click on Everett. And this will just take me to his progress. And I can see that, oh, he got 94%. That's awesome. So I can give him some good vibes, kind of giving him like a high five over the internet. So once you're in one of the subject areas, when you go back up to those three dots, you'll now see something called Vibes, which you can click on and you can select the whole class. You can select an individual student. So I'm going to select Everett and I'm going to select Give Vibes, and I can say, you know, participation, teamwork, persistence, worked at home, on task. So I'll say like, great job getting your work done. And I can give him vibes, and when he logs on, he'll kind of get that notification of, hey, I recognized that you logged on and you did great work. From here, you can also go into Show All Students, and this will show you within the language subject what everybody is working on, their last login. So like obviously Brody hasn't done any of the work in this subject area since February, but I can see the kids who were on this week. I can see their last 5 scores. So again, if somebody's doing a really nice job and I want to give them, you know, that digital high five, I can click on the subject to kind of see how they were doing. And then when I click up here, because I'm still in that subject area, I can give the vibes to whoever I click. So just a little tool to kind of reinforce what they're doing, to let them know that we're seeing it, and maybe leave some feedback and some comments if needed. So obviously, like for Isaac, who has not been on since January, but seeing the 50, like I could give him some feedback on whatever he missed, or maybe we pull that up during a conference. So it's there for you to use if you would like to give some more feedback.